Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to access the TSLL2025 poster presentations. In this video, I'll show you how to get to this home screen for the poster presentations. We will first review how to enroll, use the home screen to browse all the posters, also show you a poster example on how to access the poster and video presentation. Finally, we'll also see how to interact with the authors and other conference participants by using the discussion features. After retrieving the Moodle link from our conference website, you'll be able to register a new account. Now, if you're a non-Iowa State participant, like most of you, you can simply create a free account using your email address. If you are an Iowa State participant, sign in using your OCTA credentials. Now let's create an account. Fill in the username of your choice, password, email address, first name and last name, along with your city and country. For demographic information and Iowa DHS, you can leave those blank. Click to check that you are not a robot and create your new account. You will then receive a confirmation email for your profile. Click on the link and you will be redirected to provide an enrollment key. Enter the enrollment key poster TSLL25 exclamation point. This is case sensitive. Then click on Enroll Me to continue. After that, you'll have full access to the poster presentations interface in Moodle. Now, on the left side, you will have a menu of all the poster presentations, and in the main screen, you will also see that same menu. So for demonstration purposes, let's look at an example of a poster presentation. Here you can see the title of the poster, along with the specific number that is useful for voting for the Best Poster Award, the author, the abstract information, and the link to the poster and videos. You also have a space for adding a discussion topic. Now let's click in to see the poster. In this poster view, you can use the plus, minus to adjust the zoom feature. Clicking the video link will open the presentation of this specific poster.
Hello everyone, my name is Isaac Ewosho. In this video, I would like to talk to you about my poster presentation, the role of generative AI in institutional policies and pedagogical practices.
Now, once you return to the poster, you can interact with the author or other participants by adding a discussion topic. Once you have written your message for the authors, make sure to post to the forum. After receiving confirmation, you will see your discussion posted. By clicking in the discussion, you can see your post. On the bottom of that screen, you can go to the next or previous poster, or you can jump to other posters. Now, looking at another poster, let's see how one can reply to a current discussion. By clicking inside the discussion and retrieving the discussion, clicking the reply will enable a window to post a comment. Finally, don't forget to vote for your favorite poster presentation. A voting link will be available on the day of the conference, and the Best Poster Award winner will be announced during the closing remarks. Thank you for watching. and we hope you enjoy exploring the TSLL 2025 poster presentations